We all know when the church and the state work together, there is development. But when we start now calling each other's name, then things don't work the way they are supposed to work. I can tell you, Madam Speaker, we were in Naivasha last week, and I was quoted by the papers that there are some words that I stated when we were in Naivasha, and in all the media houses, the entire morning, it was about Addis Ng'ang'a said this, Addis Ng'ang'a talked about allowances. And I know that one is not true, but according to the people who are listening to what the papers are saying or what the media is saying, they believe whatever that was said is correct. As for what is going on to the churches, Honorable Speaker, I feel very bad, and especially when we are told not to go and give in the church. And myself, I am a believer. I believe in God. I believe in Jesus Christ. But when I am told I am not supposed to go to church and give, and Romans 6:38 says, you give and it will be given to you, good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over will be put into your bosom. For with the same measure that you give, you use, it will be measured back to you. So me as a human being, as a church goer, as a believer in Jesus Christ, if I am told not to go and give in church, that one now means that whatever I believe in, I'm being curtailed, and that one is not fair. Let the person who wants to give to go and give. It is not all the truth all the time that the money that we give, and it is not the truth because we have been giving ever since we were young children until today. We have been giving. Now you are being told when we are mature enough that we cannot give. That is not right. And I want to say this. It is wrong when you tell the members of parliament, we have families, we have homes, we have values, we have morals. So when we are being told that we cannot give in church, we cannot participate in church because maybe something has happened at the floor of the house. When we come here, we are doing what we are elected to do, to pass laws. Whether they favor you or you are happy with them or not, that is not in your position to tell me that I should not go to church. It is wrong to tell members of parliament they should not visit church. It is very wrong, and let our God only be the judge, not a human being. You know, the Bible says that accursed is a person who put their trust in a man. We should all put our trust in God and God alone. Even the prophecies that are going across, they are being prophesied for members of parliament. I should tell them, please don't believe in those prophecies. Just trust in your God. Just trust with your prayers. Keep on praying. Our God will be the judge at the end of the day. Thank you very much.
I think last